squishy
I
dumpling.
don't think that one was real.
It said squishy dumpling on the thing. It did.
Okay. Wait, man, I already saw the color because the thing came off, but it's okay.
Okay, you can do it. Oh, that's a cool one.
These are the real ones. I knew it was going to be real one. That's the real face. The other one is an
In
off-brand one.
9.3 miles, take
Yes, it
exit
is.
28 to merge onto
Okay,
I-70 East
comment in
towards
the
St.
comments
Louis.
to tell her that this is the real one. And hold up,
It said squishy.
this is the
dumpling.
off-brand one.
Squishy dumpling.
Which one is the off-brand one, and which one is the real one? The rainbow or the yellow? At least I'm glad we didn't get the white one. We almost got tricked by the other off-brand ones.
We
that were
did.
white.
We almost got tricked.